So here I have the Oreck Genuine Buster Bee Canister Vacuum Paper Bags. And I was just going to show you how to install a new bag into your machine. It's pretty straightforward, but it is a little confusing if you've never done it before. So here's one of the new bags. I've got my Oreck XL here, the little handheld. And so all you're going to want to do, you flip this up on the hose end. You can see this little dial here. You just turn it to the right. Basically, you can see that's loose now. And then right up here, there's a couple tabs. So you want to pull from this end, just kind of lift it up this side first, and then you'll want to just kind of come out with it. Just like that. Then all you do is you take your bag and you put it down in here like this. You're going to want to tip this end down in here first. You can kind of see it kind of goes in that little groove. And then you're just going to push it down. So then it's in there, and then you're gonna basically, you'll see here that there's two little clips that you wanna be careful with. You don't wanna just push this in there. You wanna actually take this at an angle, kind of lock it in place, or get it to go in the grooves there. Just like that. You can hear it kind of snap in there. Then you're gonna push this side down. It's a little tight, so you wanna make sure this is facing the other way. And then you can hear it snap in. Then you just turn this like that. You hear another click, and you're good to go.